Hello everyone, I'm Fred Haiman with the law firm of Haiman Hogue. We are a faith-based estate planning and elder law firm in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Today I'm going to talk to you about how you select an attorney to do your estate plan. Now, I've said this in other videos, but I don't really like the term estate plan, so you shouldn't select an attorney that just focuses on your stuff. Because when you're planning, everybody, when I ask people, what's the most important thing in your life? Nobody says their stuff. Nobody says their money. Nobody says their house. Nobody says their car. It's always your family. Your family is the most important thing in your life. So when you're selecting an attorney, you want to make sure you select somebody who focuses on how do we protect you and your family and your assets. So those are the three categories you want to make sure that you're taking care of. I always say to my clients that I have two requirements of my clients. Number one, we have to like each other because we're going to spend a lot of time together. So even more important than knowledge and skill is there's got to be a connection there. You've got to trust and know the person and feel comfortable with the person that you're selecting. You also need to trust them because you are putting your life in their hands. It's kind of like me going to a surgeon. I don't know how to operate on a heart. So I have to trust that the person I'm selecting knows what they're doing. So you have to like them and you have to trust them. Because there's a lot of information I ask for my clients that is very, very private. And one time I had a lady come into my office and say, I'd like you to do my estate plan. And I was asking her questions and I said, well, do you have a retirement account? She says, yes. And I said, can you give me a rough idea how much is in there? And she says, well, I'd rather not say that. And I had to tell her, well, ma'am, if you're not comfortable enough to tell me this information, then I can't help you. I need you to go to somebody that you're comfortable enough to share that information with. So again, the two qualities I think are more important than anything are you got to like a person and you got to trust them. Third one, though, just as important, is pick somebody who knows what they're doing in this area. Law has become like medicine. It's very, very specialized. Attorneys don't do everything. I don't do a divorce on Monday, a criminal defense on Tuesday, and a will or a trust on Wednesday. There's just way too much to know. So pick somebody that specializes and focuses their area just in this area of law so that they can take care of you, because you want somebody that knows what they're doing to take care of you and your family. Your family is too important to leave it to somebody else. If you're going to do this right, you want to expect to pay a little bit for it because it's not cheap. This is one of those areas of law that you get what you pay for. So get somebody that knows what they're doing, be willing to pay for what it takes to protect your family. I hope this information has given you a little bit of insight into what you need to do to find an attorney. If we can help you at all, or if we can answer any questions for you, please don't hesitate to give us a call at the number that you'll see on the screen. Thank you very much for listening to me today, and God bless.